Ray here on a Parrot update. Yeah, it seems like every morning these birds love this tree for some reason, and you can hear them squawking. I'm pretty sure they're like that around your neighborhood also, but I thought I'd get out there and get some video of these parrots, man, just squawking like crazy. And if you listen real close, the reason why the birds are taking off, they take off all of a sudden, there's a little girl next door that yells out, "Shut up!" You can hear her in the background there. That's why the parrots all of a sudden just jam. And if you notice, the crows are getting out of town too. You see a few of them just jamming when they see all these these parrots come in. There's something else, those parrots. I can't believe how many they are. And this is just a wee bit of the number of parrots that are running around loose. So anyway, I thought it'd be cool just to put a video up of these parrots going crazy. A lot of times, I see them out there. I said, man, I don't have my camera with me. Well, this morning I got them really going, squawking. So enjoy the squawking. Until next time. You take care, and you take care of those ones you love. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.